Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a Master Lock number 19. It is a behemoth. I'll put the dimensions and the weight and everything. I can't remember exactly what it is. It's it's a heavy brute. It's absolutely massive. It's the biggest lock that Master Lock produced, I think, back in the 80s. And it's probably the highest security Master Lock ever. If we take a look at the key, we can see the bitting is pretty fierce. Might not look that intimidating, but coupled with an extremely paracentric keyway, I mean, yeah, you're not going to pick any high lifts with a 19,000th hook. Not from the bottom anyway. Size comparison. There's a vintage Master Lock number 3. We can see the keyway looks very similar, but if we look at the wording on the number 19, it is far squarer, whereas this one is sloped at the top edge, allowing you easier access with your pick from the bottom right towards the top left. Not so in this one. It's extremely paracentric. So let's get it in the vise, because I'm not picking this one in hand. Now, if you do add one of these Master Lock number 19s to your collection, just be aware that the brass that the core is made from is it's very soft brass. So it is key retaining. The core does spring back, but not all the way back to vertical when the shackle is open. And where are we? Can we use? No, we can't use a 1.2 tensioner. It's going to have to be a 1mm tensioner, which is a little bit loose in the top of the keyway, so not ideal. But I'm going to use medium tension, not heavy and not too light. Get a wee click from 1. This might take a little minute. Click at the back there from 5, I think. One. This is a 15th thou SS Dev. I don't know. I'm not sure what types of pins are in here. It feels like there's possibly some tapered pins, just from the feel of the way they pick. And sometimes you'll have everything kind of picked, but they'll just need a couple of extra little taps. I'm sure that the lock is in focus. So one feels picked. pushing off the tension a little bit too much there, so one drop, but we've got it set again. We've got 3 sets, but 1 drop again. Six goes thingy. 5 set. I think I dropped something. Yeah, it's just such a tight keyway to work in. Such a tall keyway as well. So, one drop. Yeah, one just keeps dropping. Every time I do a little click, it's one that's dropped. Oh, there we go. So there we go. The Master Lock number 19 with I mean, that's pretty gnarly bitting for a number 19. These are absolutely amazing locks. Really, Master Lock, why did you stop making these? You should have been making all your locks like this thing. Well, if you sat and watched me fight my way through that, thank you very much. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.